Hi, I'm Donnie Wahlberg. You may know me as an actor from TV and movies, but probably most of you remember me as a member of the recently reunited New Kids on the Block. With an upcoming album, tour, as well as a new movie, Righteous Kill, with Al Pacino and Robert De Niro to promote, it may seem that I don't have a worry in the world. But having experienced a tragedy in my own life, I know that it could all be over tomorrow. Death is a very difficult thing for us to talk about, but life is unpredictable and it's important to plan for it. Many years ago I did. I bought life insurance. It was a no-brainer. I sat down with my financial advisor and decided that if something were to happen to me, I'd want my loved ones to be taken care of. Not the tax man, not the bill collectors. Life insurance guarantees that. Yet a mind-boggling 68 million adults don't have that guarantee. They don't own life insurance. And they leave their families open to serious financial problems if they were to die prematurely. Today I'm glad to say there's a campaign to do something about it. And better yet, a campaign that I can be a part of. I was asked by the Life Foundation to serve as this year's national spokesperson for Life Insurance Awareness Month. It's an opportunity for me to help people understand how vitally important life insurance is. I purchased life insurance because I wanted to protect my family and everything I've worked so hard to achieve. But I also know about the difference it can make when tragedy happens. I lost my sister Debbie when she was just 44. With a teenage son and seemingly with her whole life ahead of her, she had no life insurance. Fortunately, we have a large, close-knit extended family who were able to help provide for my nephew, and he was taken care of. But not everyone is so lucky, and the outcome is often much worse. Like many Americans, my sister didn't think about the what-ifs, and quite frankly, it's understandable. It's scary to face your own mortality, but please consider the consequences of not facing it. Don't make the mistake of forsaking this safeguard. Make Life Insurance Awareness Month the time to sit down with a qualified insurance professional in your community or your HR person at work and figure out if your family is protected. Take the steps necessary to provide your family with the guarantee that comes with life insurance protection. Thank you.
I'm older, and I was raised by my mom, who worked as a corrections officer in New York City. She had a great spirit about her and taught me many valuable lessons, like the importance of hard work and being a person of strong faith. Sadly, my mom never got to see me grow up to be the person I am today. She died of colon cancer when I was 12 years old. Things could have gotten tough for me, but my mom made sure that didn't happen. Her life insurance allowed my grandmother to keep me in Catholic school, where I continued to receive a great education. When I turned 18, I didn't have to pursue a pro career right away. I had options because my mom had planned ahead. Today, I'm married, the father of 2 beautiful children, and like my mom, I own life insurance to make sure the people I love will be provided for. Life insurance gave me the foundation to move on in my...
I'm Buddy Velastro. They call me the Cake Boss. Growing up, my dream was to work with my dad to make our family bakery a household name. But on my 17th birthday, my dad was diagnosed with lung cancer and died 3 weeks later. I lost my best friend, my idol, my mentor, and my family lost its breadwinner. Because my dad didn't have any life insurance, I had to drop out of high school to run a family bakery. I worked 12 to 18-hour days, 6 days a week. I had 30 employees who were counting on me. It was a huge amount of pressure, and there were many days I wasn't sure I could pull it off. If there had been life insurance, I know things would have been a lot easier. I could have hired more staff, worried less, and had time to grieve. Today, I'm married, have 4 beautiful children, and own lots of life insurance. When you die, your loved one shouldn't have to work around the clock to survive. Make sure they're protected with life insurance.
9 years old, I lost my father in a car accident, leaving my mom to care for me and my 2 brothers. A single working mother, she did a great job of providing for us. But her job was made a lot easier because my dad had life insurance. It helped us survive during tough times and allowed my mother to put 3 sons through college. If the worst were to happen, would your family be okay? That's a question all of us need to ask ourselves, especially now, when so many people are struggling. Life insurance is not something we want to have to think about. But the fact is, nearly 70 million adult Americans don't have that safety net. And that's just unacceptable. I'm proud to be working with an educational group to get people thinking about this important issue. Be smart and plan ahead. Your family's future is too important to leave to chance. Educate yourself at Life